What's going on, guys? Today we have the cheapest phone case you can get on Amazon. Alright guys, welcome back to the Rev Room. Nice, beautiful packaging, specially made for you, new fashion case. So basically, this is the cheapest iPhone case that you can get on Amazon. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm still a little dated, but I needed a new phone case. As you can tell, this thing's just falling apart. I've had this case for about 2 years now, and I bought this one at like a mall kiosk. It was like 15 or 20 bucks. I'm saying to myself, do I upgrade and get one of these like $40, $50 cases, or do I just go completely cheap and get something like this on Amazon for $12.88? And it comes with a screen protector. I never use screen protectors on my phone ever since I've bought iPhones, or pretty much any phone. I've never used one. I've never had the need for it. Never broke a screen. Nothing. I drop my phone all the time. Anyway, for the people that do use them, more power to you. If you think that you need them, or you broke your phone or whatever and you could justify it, it is what it is. But I got it, and it was only under $13. So here's how it's packaged. Pull this out. We got the screen protector here, and we got the case here. So looks almost identical to what I'm currently using. The main thing was that it's like $10 to $13 ones basically looked exactly the same and said the exact same thing as like the $15 to $25 one. So I'm like, you know what? Like, I could have gotten just this for like 10 bucks, and then for like $12.88, I got one with a screen protector as well. Figured, why not? Let's give it a little shot and see where we go with this. So at the end of the day, they're all silicone cases. I'm sure the quality of the silicone is significantly different than on the higher cases, but I really don't notice all that much of a difference. And for the amount of times I drop my phone and whatnot, when you chip the silicone on an expensive case or on a cheap case, it's pretty much the same. I haven't had any issues with it. So this has the hard plastic in the corners and the sides. So, and then up here where the buttons are, it's softer, which is better because you can actually press your buttons in better. So, you know, listen, it's a silicone case. They're wobbly. You know, anyone that does that, you know, twist test and it's not durable, they're silicone. It's going to twist. So, let's jump right into this. Let's pull off our old case. Like I said, as you guys can see, this thing has completely fallen apart. It's ripped here, broken this corner, but again, this was about 2 years of use out of that. So take the new one. So again, show you my phone. It's not cracked. There's no scratches, no chips. So other than being dirty, you can see one scratch up in that corner there. That's about it. Once again, we are not sponsored or affiliated with any brands or anything like that. So you're getting honest, legitimate reviews here. So let's pull out the case. Wipes 1 and 2. It's a wet one and a dry one. So let's start with wipe number 1. This is the wet wipe. Wipe number 2. So the screen protector is on now. I'm going to give it another wipe down. It went on very easy. So again, I don't know, it's been a very long time since I put a screen protector on a phone. I don't know if they've gotten better over the years, but I do remember them being a pain to put on. Here it is. And you can see that chip on the phone right there. Still there. That's on the actual phone glass. And yeah, so I think that it's good. Now let's apply the phone into the case. There's a raised edge around the phone, which is essentially how this one was. It's slightly thicker on the sides than my old one is, but the material, the texture, I mean, you can see this one is the old one. This is all worn out from years of use. This one's nice and new, but I do remember it being about this texture before it started to basically disintegrate. But yeah, so if you guys need a phone case for not a lot of money, $13 with a screen protector, again, I just opened this and put it on my phone now at the shooting of this video. Clearly, you guys have watched me do it, but I will definitely do a longevity test of this. As soon as I start to see some sort of issue, cracking, breaking, anything, you know, once I drop it, a chip in it, broken plastic like how this case happened, but as soon as I start to see any signs of wear or damage of any kind, I will do an update video on this and let you guys know. Obviously, this is day one. Can't tell you anything. So, but I am happy with the quality of it so far. Feeling it. Again, the, you know, pulling on the edges is almost identical to how the old case was. So this side where the microphone shutoff wire is, very loose. They do get looser over time and starts to easily fold out. But again, if you're that nitpicky about it, it hasn't bothered me. It doesn't affect me while I'm using my phone, going like this, whatever. I don't have any issues with it. So once again, we will be doing an update video on this. If you guys are into tech, check out our tech and tech accessories playlist. We got a ton of things on there. We got new videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the update video of this case when we get there. So thank you guys for watching. Take care.